How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Sorry, there was something wrong with the Zoom. I don't know. होस्ट हो रही थी मीटिंग लीव हो रही थी होस्ट हो रही थी लीव हो रही थी I'm sorry for that. Yeah, how are you, Kanish?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Fine. How is your day going?
Ma'am, it's normal these things I do.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, it is normal the things I do. Those things I'm doing today also.
Things you usually do, you are doing those things only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What do you do usually? I don't know. Tell me about it.
Ma'am, I wake up at, you can say, 11, 12 o'clock. But today I woke up at 10 o'clock because I was having a class of my school for assignment of math.
Aren't you guys having vacations?
Yes, ma'am, we are having vacations. That's why we were having an assignment class that ma'am will give us assignment. So she was making us understand what we have to do in that.
Okay, what do you have to do in your math assignment?
Ma'am, there are a lot of things, so I don't remember a lot because I have the assignment on my WhatsApp. From there, I will do it. And then I was watching TV. Then I'm doing your class. Now after this class at 2 p.m. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. After this class at 2 p.m. I will play PUBG Korean version with my cousins.
PUBG isn't banned in India?
Ma'am, PUBG is banned, but I play PUBG Korean version. So the Korean version is not banned.
What is the difference between Indian and Korean version?
And that Indian has been banned and Korean
Indian has been banned.
is going on. Because ma'am, now Indian PUBG is also coming. I think people are saying that in June or July it will come.
Okay, other than that, everything inside the game is same.
Yes, ma'am, everything we have to kill people in that normal thing which which are in PUBG game.
Okay, also another question.
Ma'am, and on Friday, why didn't we do the class?
One of my close relatives passed away around 12:30. So I was there.
Your voice is cracking.
Can you hear me clearly now? Kanish, can you
Ma'am,
hear
it's
me?
cracking. No, ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Can you hear me now? Hello, am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. I was saying one of my close relatives passed
Yes,
away
ma'am.
on Friday at 12:30. So I have to
Oh.
be there because of certain personal reasons. I have to be there. That is why I was not able to. Give me a minute. There's an important call. I will just get back to you in a minute. Hello. Yeah. Yes, this is Bhavya. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. It was the call from Lingo Q1 team. So I had to,
Okay.
I had to, yeah. Yeah, so I was asking, I just, like I said that one of my close relatives passed away So I was not able
Yes.
to take classes. I took a leave on that entire day. So that is why we didn't have any session on Friday. Okay, now you tell me
Oh,
one thing. Um, what is PUBG and how do we play PUBG? Tell me in detail because I've never played PUBG. I don't even know how do people play it,
ma'am,
and
ma'am, say it again. Your voice cracked.
I was asking that you have to explain it to me. How do we actually play PUBG and what is there in it and why is it so famous these days? Why everyone knows how to play PUBG and not me? I mean, ऐसा तो क्या है उस गेम में? What is there in
Ma'am,
that game which
it's
makes it
not
so
about
special?
that you don't know. If you download PUBG Korean version, so you can play. It's normal.
Okay, okay,
Go on Google and search Tap Tap and download the first. Click on the first link and and click on Android and download Tap Tap. Then open Tap Tap after downloading Tap Tap. Then open Tap Tap. Then you have to search PUBG KR if you want to play the global version, which is from the I think it is from India only. If you want to play the global one, so you could click on the PUBG mobile new global name will be showing there. And if you want to play the Korean version, you can download the first the first uh, the
okay.
first PUBG. Like because there are a lot of PUBG games showing in TapTap, so you have to download the first one or the global one you can do, or
Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Got
yes,
it. Okay,
or the
okay.
whole PUBG. There are a lot of PUBG games, so those are fake, but these two
Are famous
PUBG
and
are original.
got
Now, ma'am, I will tell you how to play PUBG.
yes,
So in
exactly,
PUBG, when
exactly.
you will download PUBG,
What is
you
this
have to
dinner,
log in.
dinner, chicken dinner thing?
No, I will tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you.
Okay.
So, ma'am, what happens in that you have to log in with your Facebook. You have options that you can log in with your Facebook, Twitter, or play games, or you can do guest. But if you will do guest, so you cannot play with your friend. There will be only like if you start the match, you will play only with the online persons,
Okay, but
not with your friend.
sorry
If
to
you are
interrupt
using
you.
guest,
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. One of my friends,
okay.
she was a very good player in PUBG. Like she was a pro player in PUBG,
Oh,
but she was
okay.
not using Facebook or Twitter. But वो अपने friends के साथ खेलती थी. She used to play it with the friends. How? Is it possible that you
Oh,
have to log in with your Gmail ID? You
she
can
was
log in
an
with your Gmail ID. Yeah, सिर्फ Facebook और
yes,
Twitter are
ma'am.
the
You
only
can log in
option.
with the Gmail or no, ma'am. You
Okay.
can even you can sign in with your phone also.
That is why she was playing with her friends. Okay, okay. Continue, continue.
If you do it with your phone, Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter, you can play. If you do it with the guest one, you cannot play with your friends. You can play with the online person.
Online people.
Yes, ma'am. And when
Persons
you
is
will
not even
download
a word.
PUBG, you
Listen, listen, listen. Persons is not a word. People means plural. Person is singular. तो singular एक है तो person, बहुत है तो people.
okay.
Person, people. Continue.
You cannot play with the people. You cannot play with people. And if you are downloading PUBG, so you have to download a app named Solo VPN, which you can find on Google if you want to play PUBG. Because and on Solo VPN you have to do South Korea if you want to play PUBG. And after you had played PUBG, you have to disconnect Solo VPN. If you will go at Solo VPN, you have to option to connect, and you can do in the upside of that you can click on that and do it South Korea. Then you have to connect. Then you can after some time or on that time only you can disconnect. But when you will start playing PUBG, you have to connect it, and the server would be South Korea. And when you are not playing, so you have to disconnect it. And ma'am, when you will when you will download PUBG for the first time, you have to play a game, and after that, you would have three options that you want to get a girlish wear, or a boy wear, or a boy wear. So, and ma'am, you can choose that you have to make your character female or male.
Okay,
That
you can
would be
choose.
in the starting when you will log in. And then when you will start your match, you have to find guns and get guns, and then you can camp, or anything you can do. There are snipers, you can snipe anyone.
What is
And
sniper?
if you want, ma'am, it is like you can see something in a long distance. It's a gun like that only, like
A gun
AWM.
with
Yes, ma'am.
a
And you have to
telescopic glass.
find the scopes also. Yes, ma'am. You have to find the scope also, and the backpack, helmet, pan, guns. You can get two guns and one pistol. And ma'am, if you won the match, it will show you for 3 to 4 seconds that winner chicken dinner. If you won the match only.
One,
If
not
you
one.
die,
One.
so it will not. If you won, so it will show you
Winner, chicken dinner.
winner chicken dinner. And if you didn't win, so
Didn't win.
if you didn't win, it will show you that you have done this.
Or you are at this
skills.
number position or like that.
Yes, ma'am. Like there are bronze, silver, platinum, diamond, crown, ace. So those are also the stages where we can touch.
Okay.
And ma'am,
One more question I
it will show
have.
you your kills also, that you have done these kills, these many kills. And it will show you the gun also, that which gun you were using. Only the one gun which you were using in your hand.
Yeah, got it. One more question I had. Suppose we two are friends, okay, and we are playing PUBG. Okay, I sent you the code, you joined in the battleground and all, okay. So, are we going to play together and we are going to kill the other players, or we are opponents? We both are
No, ma'am.
competitors.
We will be in team, and ma'am, those are a lot of maps. So if you play a map named
Alaska.
Irangal,
Okay.
so in Irangal, there are only 100 people, or if they would disconnect, so it will be low. And in 100 people, you would be also counted.
Okay, so suppose we two are playing, okay, we two are friends and we have joined, I have sent you the code and you have joined my battleground, the battleground which I have selected, which is this, Ilanga, let's say Ilanga, okay. There are 100 players, so 100 players including us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we two
Like
and
if there
98
are
other
100
players.
players, so we are two from them. So the other players are 98.
Okay, so we both will play as a team and together we have to kill those 98
Ma'am,
other players.
you have an option. You can play it solo, duo, trio, or squad. In squad there will be 4. In trio there will be 3. In duo
Well,
there
two.
will be 2. And in solo you will be 1.
Okay, so matlab, suppose we are playing duo, okay, you and me. So together we both have to kill the other 98 players, right, in the map.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Only we don't have to kill them. They would kill each other also.
Yeah, but matlab मैं समझ गई. We two are एक side पे and those 98 are our opponents.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay, got it. So, for example, we two are playing for the Alaska map. Same, my sister and her friends are also playing for the Alaska map. तो वो जो 98 होंगे, the other rest 98, उसमें हम दोनों आ जाएंगे because they two are playing. Are you getting me?
No, ma'am.
कैसे समझो? How
Ma'am,
can?
explain me it again.
Okay, for example, like I have explained it to you, that total 100 players should be there, and we two are playing. So we two will be in one team, and rest there will be 98 others. Just similar way, मेरी बहन भी वही मैप में है, but she is playing with her friend in another team. Okay, she is also playing duo. I'm also playing duo. So like for us, we two are duo and rest 98 are our opponents. Exactly for her also, she and her friend would be duo and the team, and the other 98 would be her opponents. And वो opponents भी हम
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों भी आ ही जाएंगे because we technically we all
Yes,
are playing
yes,
in the
yes,
same
yes, yes.
map at the same
Yes,
time.
ma'am. And ma'am, in PUBG there is a thing named room. In that you can play with your friends, but you have to get that thing, or you can say it that you have to buy that thing.
You have to purchase that thing.
Yes, ma'am. That if you want to play with your friend in opponent
So, do
for
you
that.
have to like buy it from money, like rupees, अपनी Indian
Yes,
currency,
ma'am.
or you can buy it from the points or the coins or the diamonds you have earned in the game?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have to buy it from Indian rupees. Literally पैसे से
Yes,
खरीदना
ma'am.
पड़ता है.
You. Yes, ma'am. You have to buy UC, but ma'am, I don't do those things. I play with my friend that opponent game because my friends have they buy sometime or they get that thing in their rewards. So I play with them only. I don't do these things that now I have to buy this one, because I want that. I would tell you that my cousins were saying that we will give you we will give you our ID for your birthday gift, because my birthday is on 7th May. So they said that we will give you our ID. So you please take it. But I said them that no, I don't want to take
I
your
told
ID.
them.
Ma'am,
I told
because
them.
yes, ma'am, I told them. Ma'am, because the thing is that, ma'am, I just want to play that game because my cousins are having a lot of uh, ma'am, wait a second. Ma'am, skins of the guns, and they have a lot of clothes, pants,
In
food.
PUBG.
So, yes, ma'am. So that's why they're saying that you please take our ID. It is
ID.
so nice. We are on diamond also. Please take this. We have a lot of clothes in this ID. So please take it for your birthday. But I said them that
Told
I
them.
don't want your ID. I told them that I don't want your ID. And ma'am, I, I told them that I don't your ID because of I want to just play the game. I don't want these clothes and all. Ma'am, because from clothes, what will we do?
Exactly, and the game is
Nothing.
for entertainment purpose only,
Yes,
na?
ma'am, because we just have to play the game. Why we
Yeah.
have to do show off all the time
Yeah, true,
in
true, true.
everything, in real life, in game, in everything?
Yeah, true. We are just playing game for the entertainment purposes to
Yes,
kill
ma'am.
our time, to
And there
spend
is
our time.
you can say, ma'am, there is a competition, or you can say show off like I'm having this one, you're not having this one. Ma'am, like, so ma'am, are we here to play the game, or we have to do these clothes or these purchasing things? Are we here for playing this game or spending our money on these clothes and this UC?
Which we are not even going to wear ever.
Ma'am, because we get free clothes, that is okay. But why do we have to do show off
How,
that I
how
have
much
this
how
one?
much amount do you have to pay to buy those clothes on PUBG?
Ma'am, there are a lot of. Ma'am, you have to buy UC
What is
first.
UC?
UC. Ma'am, UC is a currency of PUBG, you can say. So in UC, there are a lot of amount you can buy till. So there is 67 for 50 UC, 7,000 for this much UC. So there are a lot of varieties that you can buy this much for this much money.
7,000 rupees for a certain amount of UC.
Yes, ma'am.
And there are people who literally spend 7,000 rupees for this UC thing.
Yes, ma'am. But I don't think that we have to spend this money on a game that we don't know that this game will ban after some time. If the
Yeah.
game will ban, then uh, they will cry that we spend
So much
50,000
money.
for this and this and this.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. I didn't know that
And we don't have
this
to
game is
spend this money.
true.
We have to
True.
just play the game. We come to play the game, not to spend the money.
I have also heard there is this one game, I guess Minecraft only or something like that. One of my students, he bought that game. उसने वो गेम खरीदी हुई है for 4,000 या
Yes, ma'am.
5,000 rupees.
I also have bought this
Bought this game?
Minecraft Java. I bought this game Java Edition Minecraft in my laptop
Yes.
for 2,000 rupees.
Yes, yes. Even my student has
But
also bought.
if your student is playing it on the phone, so it is for 500 only.
No. He plays it on his laptop or computer.
Okay, so it will be a higher price, or you can get it for free
For
from
free?
T Launcher.
Oh.
But I have bought it from the
Bought.
Minecraft website. That's
Bought.
I have bought this game from, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have bought this game from Minecraft website.
Acha, like you have legally bought this game, so you can play aram
Yes,
se.
ma'am. Not from that T Launcher and
Haan.
those things, because
But-
I don't want any tension that after some time they will say that you cannot play this game.
Yes, exactly. And such things also happen with Netflix and Amazon Prime also. Like many
Yes,
of my
ma'am.
classmates, they had this illegal Netflix account. Matlab, you have
Oh.
Netflix account, I have Netflix account. So we have bought it from Netflix only, right? How many
Yes.
screens do you have in your Netflix account? 4 screen wala ya 2 screen wala?
Ma'am, my father's friends or his office friends, my father shared with them. Like,
So I
my
guess
father
it would
gave
be
this money, and they also give
money, yeah. So it's like 4
us
screen
money,
account.
and then we all members buy the Netflix.
So it's 4 screen. I have 2 screen wala. Okay, so I pay what 2 screen ka hai 650 rupees per month. Okay, so basically 325 per person. So I pay 325 rupees per month, and my friend pays 325 rupees per month for 2 screen Netflix. Now one of my college mates, he has this Netflix account, which was illegal Netflix account. Okay, and he used
How
to
much?
pay. I don't know where did he get it from, but he used to pay 700 rupees for entire year. जो मैं 625 rupees per month पे करती हूँ, he used to pay 700 rupees पूरे एक साल के लिए. So what happened? After few months, Netflix got to know that he is illegally using Netflix. So उसका पूरा Netflix account बंद कर दिया, and they were like, you cannot use this Netflix account, and you cannot enter this email ID ever in a Netflix account. Now, if he wants to buy it legally from Netflix, he has to make another Gmail account, and he has to log in from another Gmail account.
So that Netflix has banned the Gmail account for Netflix.
Yes, and
He cannot sign in with the
with that Gmail account, yeah.
With that Gmail account that he used after before some time.
Exactly. That was what happened with him. So, like there are so many websites and there are so many things in the market which
Yes,
sells
ma'am.
all of this thing in black, right?
Ma'am, because I thought that this PUBG is also illegal then, because this is not on the Google Store even.
Android. हाँ प्ले स्टोर में भी नहीं है. True.
मैम बट a lot of people watch मतलब a lot of people
Play.
play this game
Like you are
and they
going to
spend the money
play.
also.
You are going to play this afternoon with your friends. So you have, your friends have.
No, ma'am, I play with my cousins. So at 2 or 3 o'clock, I play with my cousin named Laksh Bhaiya. I say him Laksh Bhaiya or
Call him. I
his,
call him Laksh Bhaiya.
I call him Laksh Bhaiya and his full name is Laksh Kumar. At 2 or 3 p.m. I play with my cousin Laksh Bhaiya, and in the night at you can say 7 or 8 o'clock, I play with my second cousin name like uh, they both are
Siblings.
brothers.
Hmm.
So I play with my second
I
cousin name.
will play
I
with my.
I will play with my second cousin name Vansh Bhaiya, and his full name is Vansh Kumar. So,
Hmm.
so I
They both
play
are elder to
twice in a
you.
day.
They both are
Yes,
elder to
ma'am.
you. Yeah.
My second brother Vansh Bhaiya is in. Wait a second. Ma'am, he is in 11th, and Laksh Bhaiya is in 9th.
Hmm. Great, great, great. So you can play with them.
And my cousin sister Shraddha Didi,
Hmm.
she is in I think 6th or 7th.
You call her Didi. She is few years elder to you. No. You are in which grade? Fourth
Yes,
grade,
ma'am.
right? Fourth or fifth.
Yes, ma'am. Both.
And she is 2 years elder to you.
No,
Two,
no,
three
no.
years.
I am in 5th now.
Yeah. So she is 2, 3 years elder to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You still call her Didi.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, nice. I've seen 2 or 3 YouTube videos आपकी channel पे,
Okay.
and I realized that your mom calls you Avi.
Yes, ma'am. That is my nickname, Avi.
Yes, and she calls your dad Roshi, right?
Ma'am Roshi. So my dad's nickname is Roshi, and my dad called my mother Sangi,
Yes,
and
I
my
also saw
mother and
that.
father called me Avi.
Call me Avi. Yes, I saw that.
Today
I
I
saw
have
that.
also uploaded a game video at 9 a.m.
You uploaded or
But
you're
I
going to
think you,
upload?
ma'am, I have uploaded it. I did
Yesterday.
editing in the night, and I I premiered it for 9 a.m. So it is uploaded.
What game is it?
My PUBG only, PUBG video which I played with my brother,
Acha,
with my
you're
cousin.
basically your channel is related to gaming, now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that vlogging, I had a challenge for. I took a challenge for 10 days, so that was for that only.
Yeah. So basically, yours is
Because
completely for.
I don't have a lot of content for vlogging. That's why.
Hmm. Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but I think if you will watch my PUBG video, you will not get interest because you don't play games. That's why.
Yeah. I also saw one of your dad's video, and
Okay.
in that video, he was sitting with you and he was teaching you Hindi. And you got so irritated, कि mat karo, and then you started crying. You were
I
wearing
don't
yellow
remember
t-shirt and
video.
yellow shorts, something like that. And I guess on that day only you got.
Ma'am, because sometimes I don't like that my father is shooting when I'm studying. That's why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it.
Now I
And
will tell him that you added this part also in your video because he don't tell me. And in my family, my mother only watch my videos because she don't like my father's video. You can say she likes my father videos, but my videos are very short, and my father's videos are like 12 minutes, 16 minutes. No,
yeah,
12. Not 12, 22 minutes, 16 minutes, like that.
Too long.
Yes, ma'am. And I make 2 minutes vlog, 4 minutes vlog, 10 minutes vlogs. Because, ma'am, I told you that my target is that I have to make the video between 10 or 13, or it could be lower than 10 or 13.
Got it, got it, got it. On Sunday, yesterday, I was like, let me see what Kanishk has posted on his YouTube. So I watched few videos. So your mother's channel is entirely on cooking only. There's only one
Cooking.
video which I
Yes,
saw,
ma'am.
which was that video wali, that telepathy wali
With
video.
telepathy.
हाँ, and उसमें भी most of the were not matching with each other. Only I guess bun biscuit match हुआ था उन लोगों का, your moms and your dads. So I watched that, and I also watched that vlog of your mother where she got a new car, and you were so little in that video.
Yes, ma'am. We bought the Desire.
Yeah, I saw that, and
We
you
are
were
having
like,
that car right now also.
yeah, and you were like, ये अपनी है. Mom is like, yes, yes, and you were so small, so little you were. Your mom gave you
Yes, ma'am.
surprise, no?
I think I was 7 or 8 years. Ma'am, I was thinking that in which car I am sitting right now, this car is having a ribbon. So I thought that this car is bought from someone.
But
So that's why this car is bought by someone. That's why I was shocked that this car is having ribbon and I am sitting in this car.
am I sitting in someone
After
else's
some
car?
time, yes, ma'am. After some time, they told me.
Yeah, I also saw that
Because we
video.
bought this car
Bought,
from my
bought.
we bought this car from my father's friend. You can say my father's friend's showroom where he works.
Yeah, that is why you also had lunch with him and you had tea
Yes,
and everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. मैं वही सोचूं हमने गाड़ी ली थी हमें तो सिर्फ जूसेस मिले थे एंड कुकीज एंड टी मिली थी हमें तो लंच का पूछा नहीं बट नाउ यू टोल्ड मी दैट इट वाज योर डैड्स फ्रेंड शोरूम दैट इज व्हाई यू हैड लंच
yes,
एंड
ma'am.
या
So his name is Vineet Tyagi. So
you
he is
got the
my
that
uncle. You can say.
yes, yes. I saw मैंने पहले सबसे पहले I saw your video उसमें your dad was also tagged in the description box. So I opened his video and the video which I saw of your dad's was when your mom made bread pizza that day. Yeah, so your dad has also shot the clip where she's making it the pizza and she was also shooting for her own video. So I was like,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
see your mom's video. Then I went to your mom's video. So I checked and everything was related to cooking. Only sari recipes hi thi. Everything was cooking, 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 cooking. But then
Because her channel is for cooking only.
yes, 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 yes. And your
We
mom
did
has
that challenge. That is the first challenge she did with us.
yeah, yes. And your mom also has a introduction. वो हर एक clip में the intro of the video is exactly the same, right?
Intro and outro.
Yes, yes, yes. That she has shot for each and every video. And then she does the
Yes,
voiceover, right?
yes, ma'am. My father and mother shoot that video sometimes, and we are using those videos all the time.
Yes. I also saw in your father's video, this one only, the bread pizza video, because it was so long. I guess it was of 16 to 18 minutes. So usme I saw that your father had met Shah Rukh Khan in some show, then some other show. Like he has went to 3 shows and he had like frames and he mentioned it in that video कि ये ऊपर
Ma'am,
लेके
you have
जाने.
noticed a lot of things.
Yeah, I saw the whole video. I'm telling you now, and I wanted to
Yes,
ask you
ma'am.
this
My
that
father has done 3 shows, and my mother has done 1 show, and I have also done a show.
which show you were in?
So, ma'am, in which show my father and mother was?
Yeah, but what
That's
was
not.
the name of the show?
Ma'am, सबसे smart कौन?
अच्छा.
These are the riddles show. So the latest is movie Masti with Manish Paul, and in
सब पे आता
and
था ना? That show used to premiere on Sub TV.
ma'am, I don't know because we watched it on ZTV only. Z5, sorry.
Okay. Okay.
So
Did you
that's
win
why.
anything from those shows? Any prize, anything?
Yes, ma'am, from Movie Masti 11 lakhs. And in Sabse Smartcon, we lost the game, but my chachu, Manish chachu, he won. So he won
1,000.
12,000. But I know that they don't have that price because the government
We'll cut
get
down the
some tax.
taxes. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yes, that is true. That is true. That
And
is true.
in the Sabse Shana Khan, in that show, Shah Rukh Khan was there. And let me check.
You met with Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, oh my God. You saw him at this distance.
And ma'am, in the Shah Rukh Khan show, my father and Chachu were in one team only, so they won.
One.
They won. They won 5,25,000 or like some
Wow.
50. 5,50,000.
Nice. 5,50,000 is like secondary thing. They met Shah Rukh Khan. Like literally,
Yes, ma'am.
they met him. उसके बाजू में खड़े रह के उन्होंने फोटो खिंचवाया. I mean, is he actually that handsome the way he seems on the television?
Ma'am, I don't know. My father met only because I have just met Ravi Dubey. He was in Sabse Smart Con, and my father has met Shah Rukh Khan, Ravi Dubey,
And Manish
and
Paul.
movie Masti with Manish Paul in that show. Manish Paul.
Manish Paul is very funny guy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, nice,
If
nice.
if you will watch the show, you will be like,
Yeah, I'll get the
wow.
idea. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's keep it till here for today's class.
Okay.
I have no idea what I shall provide you for homework. Maybe I'll send you a story. You have to read it and you have to explain me in the next class. Because
Ma'am,
like
I have done the homework which you gave me the previously,
on
but you
Wednesday,
didn't ask me.
because Friday I was not there and I forgot it today. Now I
Ma'am,
realized.
when you will reschedule the Friday class?
I don't know. Team will reschedule it.
Okay.
Okay. I'll
Ma'am,
see
and
you.
my father was
Hmm?
telling me that you have not given the 26th
I have,
April
I
video.
have posted. Yes, I saw your mail, your father's mail, but because I was so busy with these things, I have posted
Oh,
it. I have sent you the mail and everything. Don't worry about it.
okay.
Okay, I'll send you the
Or my
story.
father watches the
Class
videos.
recording.
That's
Yes, yes, yes. I got it, got it. I have sent it. Ask your dad to check it. I'll
okay.
also send this after an hour or
Oh,
so. You'll get the post video of this class as well. So yeah,
okay,
I'll
ma'am.
send you the homework on your mail ID, your dad's mail ID, like I always do, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice day.